Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create this video trend when the clock strikes 12 on New Year's Eve. So this video trend is about your love life and you can basically express it on TikTok. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok. However, first you need to make sure your TikTok app has been updated to the latest version. So search for TikTok on your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure it's been updated. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're going to go ahead and tap on search and you're searching for the following account: Test the Simple Dad. Now go ahead and tap on users and then tap on Test the Simple Dad. Now you want to go ahead and view the profile page for this account. Now within the video section, you'll see this template which we're going to use. Tap on it. You'll see this template when the clock strikes 12 on New Year's Eve. So go ahead and tap on this. This will now show you the template. You want to go ahead and choose your pictures and then tap on next. And now this will basically create the video for you. You can go ahead and change the text. And once you're happy, go ahead and tap on next. And then post this video to your TikTok account. So there you go guys, that is how to create this video trend when the clock strikes 12 on New Year's Eve on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.